Genesis chapter 11 opens with the entire earth speaking one language and using the same words. United in speech and purpose, the people journey eastward and settle in a plain in Shinar. There, driven by pride and ambition, they decide to build a massive city with a tower that reaches the heavens. Not to glorify God, but to make a name for themselves and avoid being scattered. But God sees their arrogance and intervenes. He confuses their language so they can no longer understand one another, causing them to stop building and scatter across the earth. The city becomes known as Babel, symbolizing confusion and the limits of human pride without God. The chapter then shifts to a genealogy tracing the descendants of Shem all the way to Abraham, later known as Abraham, setting the stage for God's redemptive plan through one chosen family. Genesis 11 reminds us that human unity without humility leads to chaos, but God's purpose always prevails.